right, so I want to go over the Paragon reverse adjustment. So this is the reverse band right down in here. It's hooked up to the link. There's a bolt that comes through the case right here. See how it's got washers on it? Okay, this one has 3. So if I take washers out, that bolt goes in more and tightens up the band. So if I have reverse all the time, then I probably have not enough shims in there. I gotta back it off. If I don't have enough reverse, then I need to remove shims. So that is the only adjustment. That's how it tightens that band, clamps this drum. All right, let's test our P44 out. We got the dyno at idle. We got a little bit of cooler flow. Put it forward here. Nice and smooth. Put a rewind. Put a neutral first. Rewind. Forward. Rewind again. Forward and rev her up. About 4 gallons a minute there. That's pretty good. That's pumping good. Sweet.